Alright, I got something I want to say for anybody else who's thinking about whether they're going to get healthcare or not next year. Your deadline's coming up. December the 15th is 3 days away. It's a hard choice. I didn't sign up for healthcare. I don't need to. I'm a veteran. I get taken care of at the VA, okay? But I'm a person who daily thinks about how I'm going to live and how I'm going to take care of my health. And because of that, I consider it to be a strange thing that I would be paying for someone else's healthcare. That's not what we're talking about. What we're talking about is, are you going to sign up for healthcare or are you going to risk paying the penalty next year? Okay, I'm going to break it down for you really simple, okay? These are facts. You can find them on the healthcare.gov website. First of all, healthcare fee is called a shared responsibility payment. It comes out of your taxes. So for the year 2016, it comes out of the tax return that you're going to file for that year. So in a couple months, you're going to file and you're going to have to pay a fee if you didn't have insurance, and they'll charge you 1/12 of that payment for every month. The maximum payment is 2.5% of your gross income, or $700, whichever one is more. Okay, so they divide that number by 12, and then they charge you for whatever months you weren't covered. So for a child in the household, that's $350. Okay, so I don't have any children and I'm covered, but I'm getting married in a couple months and I have to think about whether I'm going to sign my wife up for health care. Let's think about the political situation. Donald Trump is hopefully going to be inaugurated in January, and when that time comes, he's going to implement his 100-day plan. He presented on October 22nd of this year before he got elected, and one of the points that he made was to present legislation to Congress that would repeal Obamacare. It was the 5th item on the list. You can go online and look up the 100-day plan. But it's important to think about this, because if you sign up, you're locked in. Maybe it's best to sign up for something where you're not locked in, but I recommend maybe wait a little bit and at least take the chance and think about not signing up, only because most likely Donald Trump is going to successfully pass legislation that erases the mandate. So I hope that's been helpful. I still haven't made my decision yet. I'm not married yet, so I don't have to. But all right, I hope that was helpful, and see you next time.